Okay, a paradox of choice and a non-stop, never-ending trend of dealers wanting to get as much as they can out of you. But today in this video, we have a solution, and the solution is quite genius, if you ask me. So stay with me as we break down, quite honestly, the number one way to solve your problems when it comes to getting these new cars. So if you guys don't quite understand what's going on right now, the ZR1 has been just going for crazy prices at dealerships, and that's the punchline. Is it really going for crazy prices? At first, you might be thinking, okay, yeah, it is. I'm being told all over the board I gotta pay $100,000 over sticker or $150,000 over sticker. That's the catch. Imagine you're playing a game of cards like poker or something else. Imagine there's the one player that has to do a lot of bluffing. They're going to do whatever they can to win. Even if the cards are not in their favor, they will try to win. This is the world of buying cars. Especially when we are consumers, we are often going against more prominent foes, such as the dealer. And the dealer could be skewing the game and maybe making it much more difficult for us to win. But we can win, because do you know what happens when nobody goes to that location to play the card game? Well, the dealer has got no players. This is the start of today's video. Yes, we've been calling dealerships around, and if you watched the previous video, you know that the latest thing they're telling me is you got to pay between $100 and $150 over sticker, but that's just like an average of what we're being offered. We'd consider selling it to you only if you tell us how much you're willing to pay for it. Can you do better? Can you beat that? It gets ridiculous at times, and as a consumer, I'm sitting here going, wow, well, what can I do for an extra $110,000, $120,000? Obviously, I'm not made of money, but you would consider these different thoughts in your head. And one of the very first things you would do, if you're someone like me, is you would look at other cars online. Let me just show you something real quickly. If we go to Auto Trader and look up the Corvette E-Ray, what do you notice here? $100,000 MSRP, almost $12,000, $97,000. Let's scroll down even more. These things are going for less than sticker price, $93,000. And these are used ones, but I've even seen new ones going for thousands of dollars below sticker price. Can you believe that? I saw another $92,000 one the other day of the Corvette E-Ray. What does that tell you? Some of these Corvettes are really struggling to sell, and it's unfortunate. Yeah, it is. But at the same time, we have to consider why. Why is that? How much are these going for? Oh my gosh, that's an what? Oh, that's an $85,000 Corvette. I never thought they'd go that low. I never thought the depreciation went that big. Yeah, it's got miles on it, but 80? Do you know how much money my Corvette Z06 was? And I put 7,000 miles on it. Any guesses? $186,000. Here's another E-Ray for 96. I don't even know what to say. Do you get my point here? For an extra $100K, you might as well buy yourself another Corvette E-Ray. What you could do is that you can find like the best priced one online, even if it's like not the right color you want. You could just pick one up. Even we'd help you out. Come to Speed Phenom Film. You can find our info down below or on the screen right now. We'll wrap it a different color for you if you want, or put PPF or other services on it, customize it, and then you'll have the car you want. Isn't that so crazy to think about? There are 629 Corvette Z06s for sale, and you can buy one right here for 8,000 miles for $108,000. So the point is, what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that for an extra $100K, you can do some pretty cool stuff with your money. There's so many Z06s here with a couple thousand miles on them, 5K, 11K, even this one right here, 5,000 miles again, 7,000 miles, and they're all right about 100,000. This one's got 2,000 miles on it, and it's $99,000. Right off the bat, E-Ray is done holding value as well as Z06, and Z06s, the amount of Z06s for sale for about 100 grand, it's just, there's so many. I'm just scrolling down and down and down. Shifting focus to the Corvette ZR1, what happens over time? We see so many of these Corvettes be made. They've made so many Corvette Z06s, tens and tens of thousands of them. I believe there's about 30,000 or more Z06s on the streets, the last that I checked online. And then when you look at E-Rays, they're making less of those right now than pretty much other cars, anything else. They're still not being able to hold their value. So the dealers have had this trend, and I know this because when I bought my Corvette Z06, they wanted to make so much money over a sticker. It was crazy. 100K markups were there all day long. I got into my car. Do you know what I found out over time? And you guys found this out too. These cars, they did not hold their value. They made so many, the dealers could not try to get those markups anymore, and then it just flatlined. So when they're telling you you'll never be able to get one, and I heard that nonstop on the phone, that's the latest thing I heard, was they're actually impossible to get, pretty much. Yeah, you'll never get one. Yeah, you'll never get one. That's the latest thing I heard on the phone. And that was from calling a dealership. Can you believe getting told that? It's crazy to me. This is the game. This is the cycle. And I'm here to tell you there is a solution to this. Just wait a little bit longer. I believe prices will go down. I believe prices will hit around MSRP because it's called supply and demand. And right now, what do they have in their favor right now? Hype. Hype leads to a lot of hypocrisy, I think, a lot of the times online. I think that is the problem we're dealing with. So yes, the latest thing I've been told on the phone is you'll never get one, it's impossible to get, or they create these false stories of, we don't know if we'll ever get another one. Ever and ever. It's impossible to get. I always say back, well, why not get a Lamborghini then? Or a Ferrari for that price point? They go, oh, it's a completely different car. It's a completely different car. Would you rather spend 400K when you know the MSRP of your car is 400K? Or would you pay 400K when you know the MSRP of your car is 225K? You know that one company's making 175K more profit, pure profit, of stuff you're not actually getting out of the vehicle versus 175K actually put into the cost of the vehicle. So that's a good point right there. By pulling up the amount of C8 ZR1s for sale online, we can currently see that there are 12 used ones, and then there's even more if we sort by new cars. So what you're going to find is that over time, with the more amount of cars landing for sale online, 68 ZR1s now, it's just going to keep going down with price. I have noticed on average, these prices have been dropping at a range of $10,000 per month. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you liked it, please hit the like button. It really does help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.